Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently SushiSwap broke out another up channel on a 4-hour time frame chart. By the way, before that, we also broke out a quite long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And then we also broke out a quite long-term resistance on that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. And this was my last video that I shared a few days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from the sub channel, by the way, we are watching on the 4-hour time frame chart. You can see that for several days it has been moving inside this channel and it was forming nicely higher highs and higher lows. And the target for this breakout from this up channel that I've been telling you in my so many previous videos, as per this measurement, was here approximately at $2.10, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. And during this move, the price then also broke out this long-term resistance on that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. And after that, the price then got rejected by the next long-term resistance of $2.75 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that this was the falling wedge pattern that I was showing you. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump and now we need to break out this resistance of $2.75 that was previously working as a key support here in the month of March 2022. And I would also like to show this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for SCR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal, like this trade setup I shared on 9th of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SushiSwap. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the rising channel that I've been showing in my previous videos. And you can see that the price was nicely moving inside this channel and forming higher highs and higher lows. And I was telling you that despite this is the bearish bias move, because eventually the price normally breaks down the support of the up channel rather than breaking out the resistance. But the momentum is quite bullish, therefore we can expect a breakout from this channel. The target for the breakout that I was telling you in my previous videos from this up channel was here. That was approximately at $2.08 to $2.10, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $2.75. However, during this rally, we have broken out a key resistance zone that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance zone has been working as a resistance zone here, resistance on here, resistance here, resistance, resistance. So this was a very, very long-term key resistance on that we have broken out. That starts from $1.60 and goes to $2, and now from $2 to $1.60 can work as a very, very strong and long-term support line. In fact, it is working as a support line. You can see that price and retested this resistance as support and geared up, and now it is again moving towards the resistance of $2.75. That is another quite long-term resistance. You can see that this $2.75 has been previously working as a very strong support here. Therefore, now again, we got rejected by this resistance. And now we have already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge that I have been telling you even before the breakout. I was telling you last year at the top of the wedge, approximately at $2.10. And you can see that the price then has rallied beyond that target. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is due. And that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.